So this is the first lot of recording I've done today, but look who it is!
Hello everyone!
So we've just had a lovely day catching up with Steph and Dave, done a bit of last minute Christmas shopping.
I missed this one. And she introduced us to this one as well.
Yeah.
I love it, I love it!
But yeah, I've just said to Steph and Dave, I'll see you in 2020. So
I can't believe it.
Gonna do some time travel and yeah, see them in the future. Yeah. But no, thanks for a good guy. Good day, guys.
Yes,
yeah.
Thank you.
And introducing me to Five Guys milkshakes.
Yeah.
Winner.
Yeah.
Winner.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a really poor attempt at Vlogmas. Completely failed. But I am I've just kind of been really busy, and where I've been poorly, I've just not been out and about as much as I'd been hoping to do. But as promised, I said that I would carry on doing Vlogmas into the new year to include New Year's Eve. And a reason being is because I'm currently on my way up to London. I'm gonna go see the London fireworks for the first time ever. So very excited. I've seen them most years on TV, but to obviously witness them in person is something completely different. I've been advised that like the sound of them is, yeah, it's phenomenal. So excited, very, very excited. I bought loads of cameras, including my SLR. I've literally got like a bag full of stuff. So hopefully I do it justice and capture some good shots and photos. So yeah, here it goes.
It's getting cold, and I'm wondering where you are. Our little tree is glowing bright, and it's waiting for the start. And everything's wrapped up tight, and I'll stay up all the night. So hurry home, hurry home. I know you're not too far. It's not the same without you. I need you here. Feels like Christmas when you're with somebody you love, you love, you love. Feels like Christmas when we sing to the stars up above, above, above. When the bells ring out and the music plays, there'll be no one here but me and we dance to flashing lights. Eat too much, the drink is gone, and we laugh until we cry. We let everybody know that we really need some snow. When it's dark, I hold you close. I see magic in your eyes. It's not the up above, above, above. When the bells ring out and the music plays, there'll be no one here but me and you. Feels like Christmas when you're with somebody you love, you love, you love. Feels like Christmas when we sing to the stars up above, above, above. here, but